what is up mga kagrogalog? So for today's video nga no ay tayo ay bibili ng isang Buy Plus World. At ang name niya ay By Design BFG. So i-try natin tong i-resell for more no. So tignan natin kung magkano ang ating makukuhang profit. Guys, may trick ako dito guys kung paano ibebenta ng mas mahal. So let's go. Deals lang guys, sobrang mura lang ito. Hindi na to. By Design BFG. Ayun no. So of course guys no, so ang una nating gagawin ay i-design na natin yung world. Tsaka natin ibebenta. So, let's go!
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
A few moments later.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
So ayun na nga guys no, so nasold na natin yung Buy Plus World natin for 36 DLs, and yung total profit natin dun guys is around 20 plus DLs. So not bad guys no, 20 plus DLs profit within less than a day. So it's good. So let's go. And by the way guys, sa mga naghahanap ng work service world, dito lang kayo sa world na work service. And looking po kami dito ng admin guys, and free access lang, ang kukunin lang namin is deposit only. So that is all for today's video. Bye bye.